Contact.
Hello everybody, welcome to America. I've had a few requests from some people that say they want to hear the air horn on the Mack, on the Deputy Dog. And I haven't done that video yet because my air horn's broken. There's supposed to be some trumpets sticking out of this side here. So when you pull it, it just kind of sounds kind of sad. Ooh, there's a little air in there.
I don't think that's quite right.
But, so I have the parts. I have a new horn I'm going to be putting on here. It's really pretty low down on the priority list because I got a lot of other stuff to do. What's a Mack without an air horn, right? So I was able to find on Amazon this same brand, Hadley. It was like, I don't know, not that expensive. So I got it in my garage, and I will, whenever I get to it, I gotta pull the headliner out in here. You can't see, it's too dark. And replace this horn unit, and then hopefully I'll have a working air horn. So yeah, that's why there's no air horn videos per request, but hopefully we'll have one sometime in the not so distant future. So stay tuned, and air horns eventually, I don't know. But yeah, hope this answered your question. If there's anything you have questions about on this old fella Deputy Dog, please let me know. Post a comment or a question or whatever, and I'm hoping to do some work on this soon and get her in a little bit better shape. So until next time, stay American.